Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to run the Nexus node on your laptop and PC. First, check your system requirements as shown on the screen. Now, install Java from the Office site or via terminal as shown on the screen. Download or clone the Nexus repo using git clone github.com/nexusprotocol/nexus.git. Then, open the terminal or command prompt and navigate to the Nexus folder using cd nexus. After that, create or update the nexus.conf file with correct settings. Run the node by executing java-jar nexus-node.jar inside the directory. Allow firewall access if prompted, so the node can connect to the network. Here, check the log/output to ensure syncing with the blockchain has started properly. Keep the terminal open or use a screen or tmux session to run it in the background. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.